In today's rapidly evolving work environments, safety management is not just good practice, it's an absolute necessity. Every organization, regardless of size or industry, has a fundamental responsibility to provide a safe and healthy workplace for its employees. This commitment to safety is not merely a legal obligation, but a moral imperative, reflecting a company's dedication to its most valuable asset, its people. A robust safety management system is the backbone of a secure and productive workplace. It is a proactive approach to identifying potential hazards, assessing risks, and implementing effective control measures to prevent accidents, injuries, and illnesses. By prioritizing safety, organizations can minimize risks, protect their workforce, and create a culture where safety is everyone's responsibility. The benefits of effective safety management extend far beyond simply avoiding accidents. A safe work environment leads to increased productivity, improved employee morale, and a stronger bottom line. When employees feel safe and valued, they are more engaged, focused, and productive. Conversely, a workplace that neglects safety protocols risks not only the well-being of its employees, but also its reputation, financial stability, and long-term success. At the heart of any successful safety management system lies a comprehensive risk assessment process. This involves systematically identifying potential hazards, analyzing the risks they pose, and implementing appropriate control measures to eliminate or mitigate those risks. Risk assessments are not one-time exercises, but ongoing processes that must be regularly reviewed and updated to reflect changes in the workplace, processes, or materials. The first step in risk assessment is to identify potential hazards. This can involve physically inspecting the workplace, reviewing accident and incident reports, consulting safety data sheets for hazardous materials, and seeking input from employees who are directly involved in the work being assessed. Once hazards have been identified, the next step is to analyze the risks they pose. This involves considering the likelihood of the hazard causing harm and the severity of the potential consequences. Once risks have been assessed, appropriate control measures can be implemented to eliminate or mitigate them. The hierarchy of controls provides a framework for selecting the most effective control measures, starting with elimination, the most effective, and progressing through substitution, engineering controls, administrative controls, and personal protective equipment, the least effective. Effective safety management goes beyond simply establishing rules and procedures. It requires creating a culture of safety where every employee is empowered to actively participate in maintaining a safe work environment. Comprehensive training and education are essential for equipping employees with the knowledge, skills, and awareness they need to work safely and identify and report potential hazards. Safety training should be tailored to the specific hazards present in the workplace and the roles and responsibilities of individual employees. It should cover topics such as hazard identification and control, safe work practices, emergency procedures, and the proper use of personal protective equipment, PPE. Training should not be a one-time event, but an ongoing process that is regularly reviewed and updated to reflect changes in regulations, best practices, and the specific needs of the workplace. Section 4. Real-world impact. Safety management in action. Numerous real-world examples highlight the tangible benefits of effective safety management. In the construction industry, for instance, companies that have implemented robust safety programs have witnessed significant reductions in workplace accidents and injuries. Similarly, manufacturing facilities that prioritize safety training and hazard control have experienced improved productivity, reduced downtime, and lower insurance premiums. For example, a leading construction firm implemented a comprehensive safety program that included regular site inspections, mandatory safety training for all workers, and a system for reporting and investigating near misses. As a result of these initiatives, the company saw a dramatic decrease in lost time injuries, from an average of 10 per year to just 2 per year over a 5-year period. This improvement in safety performance not only protected workers from harm, but also resulted in significant cost savings for the company through reduced insurance premiums, workers' compensation claims, and lost productivity. Moving beyond mere compliance with rules and regulations, effective safety management fosters a culture where safety becomes a core value integrated into every operation. It's not just about following guidelines. It's about building an environment where every employee actively participates in safety practices. This proactive approach helps in anticipating potential risks and mitigating them before they can cause harm. Thus, safety management is not just a regulatory requirement, it's a strategic asset that enhances overall business resilience and sustainability. Concluding our discussion, it's clear that safety management should be viewed not merely as a cost, but as a vital investment in the success of a business. By prioritizing safety, organizations not only safeguard their workforce, but also enhance their operational efficiency and reputation. Ultimately, investing in safety management systems translates into long-term benefits, including greater employee satisfaction, customer trust, and financial performance. Therefore, it's imperative for leaders to embrace safety not just as a duty, but as a cornerstone of their business strategy.